Hi YouTubers, how are you today? I hope everyone is well. Thanksgiving is coming and I have an awesome recipe for those of you who want to make your cornbread and make it from scratch, guys. Before we even start, get your ovens preheated to 375, 400. Okay, if you're going to use your cast iron skillet, now is the time to get it so that you can put the oil in the skillet and put it in your oven now and let it get hot. I'm going to rub it down with like about 4 capfuls of oil. My oven is on 400, and then I'm going to put this cast iron skillet back in. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible so that you can make your bread from scratch and have the best dressing you ever had on your table with this cornbread. This is the cornbread recipe that you want for the best cornbread dressing. You're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/4 of salt, and then you're going to whisk all of those dry ingredients together. Then you're going to go in with 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and you're going to bake it at 400 for 20 to 25 minutes. If it's not ready, you're going to stick it and make sure it's all the way ready. You can take this cornbread, break it up while it's hot, and you're still going to have it. It does not have to sit, dry out, or anything. All right, let's get straight to the recipe. Everything will be in the description box. I need you guys to do me a favor and please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and a comment. You guys have been so awesome to me and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. But I want you to make this cornbread for your dressing, which I'm going to make a dressing for you guys. It's going to be a chicken dressing with this cornbread, and you're going to get to see it. All right, let's get right to it, guys, so that we can get this on the road. Okay, it's not a measurement on that oil, but what you want to do is make sure it goes all around, okay? Even around the sides, guys. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven now. See how that oil looks? And you don't have to use a cast iron skillet. I'm just so used to them. I have so many of them, guys. I use them all the time. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven. It's on 400, and now we're going to get our recipe together. All right, guys, we're going in with all of our measurements. This is our flour, that cup, and our cornmeal. Okay, dry ingredients. That's your salt, your baking powder, and I have to put another one of the baking powders because this only holds 1 tablespoon, and you need 2 tablespoons of your baking powder. All right, so it's 2 tablespoons of your baking powder. Okay, after you get all your dry things together, mix them up. Okay, try to mix those up as well as you can. Now I'm gonna go, after I mixed everything up dry, I'm gonna go in with my 2 eggs. I think my grandmother used to use 3 eggs, but I'm going in with 2. 3 won't hurt. Okay, mix it in, guys. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our milk. And that's 1 cup and 1/4 of milk. You want to mix this up, okay? See how easy that is? And I'm going in with my melted butter, which I have 4 tablespoons. Melt it if you can, guys. Melt your butter. See how beautiful that is? Should look just like that. And I go backwards and forwards like this. I go around like this, then I go back, and then I do this. Okay? Everything's looking good. All right, we're gonna get that skillet out the oven after 2 or 3 minutes of being in that oven, hot grease, which is going to make it a little crispy on the ends for your dressing. This is going to be your best dressing ever. 2023 Thanksgiving dressing. Guys, we took this out of the oven, and what you want to do is just go right into it. Just like that. See how it's sizzling? Make sure you get all your cornbread out of here. This is good eating cornbread also, guys. This will be great for eating. This is cornbread from scratch, 101. Okay, we're gonna get all of this out and put it in the oven. Okay, do you see around that cornbread? That grease is so hot that it's already frying my cornbread around the edges. Okay, go in your oven, depending on your oven, 20 to 25 minutes, your cornbread should be ready. Let's take and put this in, put your timer on for 25 minutes and check it at 20 and see where you're at, okay? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, 25 minutes in the oven. This cornbread recipe is easy. It's going to be awesome for your cornbread dressing, or you could just eat this bread regular. Put you some butter across the top of it, guys, and use it for your meal, for your bread, for the holidays, any day. But guys, this is very easy. I do not personally like sweet dressing. I have a story to tell, and I will tell that one day. But I do not like sugar dressing at all. Please don't give it to me. Don't invite me to your home and put some sugar in your dressing and don't tell me. You guys have an awesome day. Hope you guys will do this easy recipe. You can do it. It's simple, easy, and you probably have all the ingredients at home. Everyone have an awesome day. Voila! Bye-bye.